Hi, Tigers. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for our writing lesson. But this week, our writing is going to start out a little bit differently. We are beginning a new unit, and I need you to do some thinking first. When we're writing, we're using pictures or words to tell someone something. Before we even can do that today, I need you to take a little walk. Walk around your house, or if you're going somewhere with your parents, walk around outside or in public. And look for things that you can read, words, or even pictures. Look all around you to see what you can find. Maybe you even want to take a notebook and jot some things down. You could copy the words you see or draw a picture of what you're reading. After you're done, come back to watch the rest of this video. Okay, Tigers, now that you've done some looking around, I wonder if you found any words around you or any other things that you can read. Let's think about some of the things that we might have found. Raise your hand. Did you write down a book, or did you find a book is something that you can read? You're right. A book has lots of words and pictures that you can read. Maybe you found a newspaper at your house or out at the store. I can see from this picture that there are words and pictures to get a message across. Maybe you have one of these in your kitchen. This is a recipe card. Remember, we talked about this in the beginning, but someone had to do some writing on this card so that other people would know what ingredients and steps to follow. Another place you might have seen writing is in your mailbox. Maybe you've received a card or a letter today that someone wrote to you. Another thing you might have found in your mailbox is this. Do you remember what it's called? A magazine. Magazines are another type of text that we can read the pictures and the words in. Maybe you found a phone at your house. Maybe you've seen or even sent a text message to someone. If you were out with your family, you might have seen some of these important signs. When you're driving especially, you have to read these signs so you know how to follow the rules and laws. Sometimes when you're out driving or walking, you might see one of these signs. This is called a billboard, and usually it has words and pictures to show an advertisement or give information. If you've gone to the store lately and bought something, you probably received a receipt. This often has words and numbers on it that shows what you bought. All of these are different types of texts or different reasons or things that people might write or draw so that they can send a message to someone else. Take a look around again now that we've talked about some of these examples. Can you find even more? We're not going to do any actual writing today, but I want you to pay close attention all around you to see where you can find more writing.